Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What up though? What up? So this video was all about this makeup look. Happy New Year, y'all. It's about to be the new year. Are y'all excited for 2020? Because I know I am. Okay. Nah, I really had a hard 2019, y'all. Like, anyway, so I am collabing with my YouTube Baes for this look right here. We are all showing you a good quick glam for your New Year's celebration. I don't go out for New Year's anymore, but if I did, I probably would do something like this or something like one of my other boos did. So if you want to see my look, go ahead and continue to watch. I am going to leave everyone's video down in the description box. If you like, make sure you tell them that Reese LaFleur sent you. But before we get into my tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe, join that flower gang, child. Alright you guys, keep on watching. Hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna hop right into this. Of course we're gonna use our Kypris anti-glow serum. Y'all, when I tell you that I love this serum, I've been using it ever since I got it in my box. That is my Sistar Cosmetics primer. We're just gonna rub that all over the face. Boom boom boom, boom boom boom. Now I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter foundation, and this is in the color 450. So of course I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all out on my face. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Concealers. This is C515. I feel like that's so right. That's right. That's right. And then we're going to put our darker one for contour, and that is C555. I think I'm getting these names right this time. So we're blending that out, guys. We blend our contour out now first, and then we blend out our highlights. So that's what you see me doing right now. My boyfriend is talking to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and this is my banana powder, and yeah, I'm just gonna set the face. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and now I'm gonna brush off that powder. I don't like to leave this powder too long. It makes me look really washed out, so yeah, I had to take that off right away. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into the eyes, and this is my golden beige concealer, or my beige concealer, or whatever color concealer this is, from LA Girl Cosmetics. I'm just gonna pack that color in. This is my Essentials palette, and I'm going in with this color Terracotta right now, which is like the orangey color. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Cinnamon, as you can see right now. And then after Cinnamon, I'm gonna go in with Black. And this is just to give my face a little bit of gradients. And of course we're going to go back and forth between the colors, which I don't show you, but I always do that, and that gives me the best blend. So after that, I go ahead and cut my crease. You know, we love a cut crease, especially when you got a hooded eye, sis. We love a cut crease. Alright, so I'm just going in with that black just to make it like not so harsh. And then I'm going in with the color Sand. I thought it was going to be actually a little bit lighter, but it's like a peachy cream, which I didn't mind, but it's not what I expected. So now I'm going in with the gold from that palette, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I am going back in with the black, and I'm just doing my under eye just to tie the whole look in together. And then I'm going to go ahead and start using my NYX glitter glue liner, or glitter glue, my NYX gold glitter liner, and I'm just going to use that to define the crease that's on my eye. So you can see me doing that. And then of course we did the other side. So I'm letting that dry a little bit. Now I'm going in with my MAC NW58, and this is going to be my contour. Honestly, I'm loving this really dark deep contour, so I keep using it. But don't get me wrong, my Black's Radiance contour palette is still my boo. So this is my Sistar's Berry Blush. This is my favorite blush, honestly. I just love the way it warms up my face. That is my Color Pop highlighter in the color Pose. This is a loose highlighter that I got. I love Color Pop products, so I had to use this, as you already know. So yeah, we're just gonna rub that in all of our areas. I went ahead into my lashes and my liner. These lashes are from JetAdore Beaute, and they are the Dainty lashes. I don't remember where this lip liner is from, y'all. I feel like it's Beauty Supply Store. Like, so I just was like, ooh, let me get this. And now I'm going in with this like peachy lip gloss from Bombshell. Yeah, and then I'm going in with my Appeal lip gloss. So I went ahead and did that, and then I changed, and we got all dressed up. I put on my top from my boohoo hole. Still never wore it. I just put it back on for this video. But you know, we gotta be dressed up. We gotta be for the festivities. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.